Forgotten username recovery failed on Motley Fool Stock Advisor fix. If you've tried recovering your Motley Fool Stock Advisor username and failed, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by assuming the recovery process is instant or by entering an email that's no longer active. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the Motley Fool app or website and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. Motley Fool will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login details. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeatedly submitting requests in a short period may temporarily lock your account. Patience is key here. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent subscription activity. Contact Motley Fool support directly with these details. Providing information about recent payments or linked accounts can speed up verification and restore access efficiently. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent future login issues. Following these steps carefully ensures that you regain access to your Motley Fool Stock Advisor account efficiently while keeping your investment data and research safe. Proper verification and credential management are essential to protecting your financial insights and subscription benefits.